finally. Chance to get acquainted. Like I said, the name's Gunny. Stay sharp, keep your nose clean, and we'll be off to a good start. We had calm blackouts like this right before the Empire invaded Mimban. Lost a lot of friends. But I learned to shoot a blaster. You'll be flying with Frisk and Grace today. Meet them if you haven't.
Big Six, you are cleared for welding operations.
Ah, Jesus.
Nice to meet ya. Squad calls me Frisk. Only Grace calls me by my real name, and only when she's mad. I know it's not often you find a handsome fella like me fighting for the Rebellion, or New Republic, or whatever we are now.
Right.
I used to be in what you might call acquisitions. You know, hunting down trophies, antiques, anything collectors wanted. Until I got that pesky death mark, of course. How was I supposed to know that painting was fake, huh?
So
Or
much
that the
backstory.
Imperial Governor was gonna show it off?
Hello. Grace Salia Vatara Sina. Grace, if you like. It's a
Hello.
pleasure. I've been with Vanguard long enough for Gunny to trust me with second position. And she doesn't trust easily. Especially those from Imperial families. Well, everyone finds out sooner or later. Yes, unfortunate. Something's not right.
If we're lucky, something survived the attack. Stay ready for anything. Wait, that's not a New Republic signal. It's Imperial. We're being ambushed.
TIE fighters, incoming!
Attack positions. Take them down.
You're clear.
Thanks! That was too close.
That's the last of the ties.
We need to take out that Kazanti cruiser as well.
Nice shot. Rosetti's toast.
That Kazanti must have been support for the Empire's jamming ships. If we scan the wreckage for its last known trajectory, it could lead us to the jammers.
That's a heck of an idea. Vanguard 5, scan the debris and we'll watch your back.
That's it. Nice work, Vanguard 5. Let's see. Their path was leading them toward Gunny and Kio's coordinates.
If we're quick, maybe we can cut off the Empire before they find our friends.
Frisk, bomb those jamming ships.
Sure thing, Grace. I'll soften him up. You two finish him off.
Hey! I'm not dead.
They have a log.
I'm being followed.
That's just rude. Deflector shields are down. Excuse me.
Come on.
They're breaking through.
They're chasing ya!
I'm under fire. I've lost my shields. Taking damage. Shields at 0.
Too easy. Let's get it off our tail then.
Ties are finished. That's all of them. Good work, everyone.
Stupid Empire. Try to invade our territory, will ya?
Gunny, do you read me? We just got off 2 jamming ships en route to your location. What's the situation?